SurfTrainingFactory.com. So today I'm going to show you a vitamin C energy booster smoothie. So what it entails is a cup of orange juice, 1 orange peeled and cut, 2 bananas which I already have cut, some honey, and some granola, and then I like to have ice in it so it's nice and cool. I do not have orange juice, so what I did is I bought oranges and I'm gonna make a homemade orange juice. So you wanna cut the oranges horizontally in the middle of these two. You just cut them in half. We're gonna do like 6 of them and then see if we get a whole cup. And guys, make sure that you mute the video when I start using the blenders because it's gonna get really loud. Just so you know. That was 3. So I like to make my orange juice homemade. It's just better. You know exactly what you're putting in it. And it just tastes better. Okay, let's see if we get a whole bunch. So I'm gonna put the orange right here. I'm gonna hit pulse, and then I'm gonna bring this down. Or, yeah. Actually, let's do this. And then 1 down. So now we just keep doing it for all the other ones until we get a whole cup. The best part about this, I love the pulp of oranges, so I can actually eat it after. That's my favorite part. Saturdays, we drink oranges. Gives us energy for the weekend. Let's do a couple more. Well, actually, let's do 3 more since we have that. We'll have extra orange juice, even better. Ready to start this? Alright, so we finished the orange juice. I'm real fast. Finished the orange juice. I'm just going to take this out over to the sink. And then I'm going to calculate if we have a whole cup, which we should have well over 1 cup. Go. Boom, 1 cup of orange juice. So I'm gonna put that in the blender now. 1 whole cup. I'm gonna put the bananas that are already cut, 2 bananas. You can cut them however you want. Usually the blender takes care of it. And then I'm gonna peel an orange and then cut it. I'm not very good at peeling oranges, just so you guys know. I actually hate doing that, but if you have a tip on how to peel oranges better, comment down below and let me know how you guys do it, because this is a mess. It's not pretty either when it comes out. Almost done. Then we're going to cut it in pieces and then add some honey and granola. So let's cut it really fast in pieces. You know, don't get juice all over you. There you go, that will do. It doesn't have to be perfect cut pieces. It's a blender, it's its job to do that. And then now, best part is to add a little bit of honey. They say 2 tablespoons, but I like my smoothie sweet, so I kind of just go around a couple times. It's good. And then a quarter of granola. I've never tried a smoothie with granola, so this is gonna be interesting. I think it's gonna taste really good because I picked a dark chocolate granola too, so it's gonna have that chocolatey taste in it. Boom, right in there. And then I like my smoothies cold, so I'm gonna add a couple pieces of ice just in there. Okay, now make sure you mute because it's gonna get really loud. Ready? Good. So we should have 2 servings with this. I thought it wasn't gonna be enough, but we should. Now time to serve it. It looks so yummy. There's one. And then half of one. One person gets half of one. So now all we have to do is add a couple straws and taste it. Wow, it's so good. The mix with the bananas and the granola and the oranges, it just tastes so good. You guys have to try it. This is amazing. You have to try it. Just get granola, honey, bananas, and orange juice. And then if you don't want to do the whole hassle, just buy some orange juice. It's even easier. Make sure that when you do try it, videotape it or take a picture of it. Make sure you tag us at SurfTrainingFactory, okay? Now cheers guys, I'm gonna go enjoy. Comment, like below, and then time to enjoy the smoothie.